Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing another review video. This is a review of a knife that I don't see a review often. If you ever watch Will Hirsch's channel, he spoke of a spider knife. Well, this is also a spider knife. Yeah, so here we go. As you can hear, very little tap whatsoever. Hardly any blade play at all, and it's a nice solid steel sandwich construction, weighing in about 10 pounds. If you notice, the spacers, you see here, are very loose. You can actually wiggle it around a bit. The reason why they're so loose is because the high quality screws that they included are pretty stripped, and yeah, it's a US design, which is made in China, and it's by MTech USA. Very high quality stuff there. Sorry, it's a little dirty. Yeah, very fine Balisong there. I remember I took off the because these were stripped. I actually had to pry off the latch at one point. So yeah, fine piece of equipment here, real fine. Yeah, like I said, it weighs way too much. I don't know, it's probably like 6 ounces or something crazy, I don't even know. And it's a piece of garbage, to be perfectly honest. It is not good at all. And this is why you don't, try to just spend $20 on a Balisong. Can you flip with this? I mean, I guess. It's not going to be of any decent quality, of course. It's a piece of crap. Yeah. Got some junk in there because I don't care about this thing at all. But, I thought I'd just kind of poke fun of this. And, yeah, so moral of the story, save your money a little bit and get something quality and not this, because this is crap. All right, but I'm not going to waste too much time with this. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.